Okay, well, unfortunately I didn't get to a before video of this truck like I wanted to. I was going to put the factory wheels back on it, take it out in the parking lot, do a walk around tour video of what this thing was before I started on it. But here we are 2 months in, and been stealing parts off. Took the hood off that to put the hood on that truck down there, because it had that hood right there on it with them 2 4s sticking out of it. So didn't get that done. And I just sold the grill right here on Facebook. Sorry about my shadow, like Peter Pan. Got the cow hood back there for this truck, but I can't put the hood on because I'm taking the whole front clip off. So anyway, I just sold this on Facebook because I got a billet grill going in, new chrome bezels, and got to take the front clip off so I can pull this whole drivetrain out, because back there is the 468 that's going to get turned into a 496 probably, and stuffed in here. So anyway, let's get taking this grill out because I sold it on Facebook to a guy. He's coming to get it. So we'll see you on the next clip. I don't do a very good job of videoing while I'm working on stuff because it's just not my normal type of channel. Working on getting ready to tear this thing all the way down. So hoping to get the bed off of it, get the front clip off. I don't know if we'll do the front clip or not because I have a bit of engine difficulties, so I'll probably just put a 400 in it that I have. So no need to make it all that pretty. But we are going to still lower the truck, put the brake kit on it, and got to do an axle flip. So I got to get the bed off. I could probably do it without the bed off of it, but it's going to be easier to do it with the bed off. So I've rigged myself up a little wood structure here because I don't have any friends. You know, if I had friends, you had to put 4 people and pick this bed right up. I don't have any friends. It's a one-man band. So I made this bracket, and I'm gonna put that chain there, got it bolted up, put it on the cherry picker, and hopefully pick this up. So we will get the truck fixed, go get the ramps, get it ramped right here in the gravels, put some plywood down, crawl up down there and take the bed loose. I've never taken a bed off before. I'm gonna take all the taillights off. I got all new ones anyway. Take the back bumper off of it. Just tear it down, get the bed off. Probably pull it up there in the driveway with the cherry picker, pull the bed off. I want to take the bed to the body shop and have it painted, have this truck painted in pieces. I got a little Mexican friends gonna paint it pretty cost effective. So, but I also got to get the bed off. I want to put these wheel tubs in. That's just a tub. See, it adds that much more space to it. Gives me a fatter tire, because right now that's what's holding it from putting a big tire in it. It's this inner wheel well. So we take that out and we put a whole lot bigger tire up and under the truck. So there's the update on that. So let's get back to it. Okay, so I finally got all the bolts out of the bed. That was a job. I had to drill 35 years of bolts, and I just moved the trucks, and I got to put my stand back up here, but fixing to hook the cherry picker up to it and see if we can get the bed off. Get the bed off and tear down, begin. Homemade contraption worked. Got my boards on there and held the bed up just fine. No damage to the bed. Now we're starting to look like a hot rod. Love it.
Life is good. Life is good. Watching idiotic ramblings with Tim. Life is good. Come on.
All right, so I got the front clip off. I got the bed off finally. I don't know if I showed y'all in the other video or not. So the tear down has begun. So now I'm gonna work on getting all this cleaned up, put the new rear end in it, pull this motor and transmission out, clean all this up, and be making some good progress. I finished taking this front end apart. I'm gonna take this to the body shop like it is, have the body shop paint this like it is, and the bed, and have it put my fenders in. I think it'll make the body shop's guy's job a lot easier. All right, so there's the Pro Street build progress. Hope you guys are enjoying this step-by-step action.